Welcome everyone. In this video series I want to show you how to customize Archicad to your very own requirements. The aim of this series is to create an Archicad template file which you can save and use on every computer. So when you start Archicad you're getting asked which template you like to use. I will start this series with the default settings and I will show you 20 different things in Archicad that you can customize. In this video we will start with line types. We find the line types under Options, Element, Attributes, Line Types, or we can activate the Attributes toolbar to have quick access to it. This will be quite useful for the rest of the video series because we will edit almost all of these attributes here. Here we have the option to choose between all the lines that are in the default library. You probably know them from drawing simple lines or circles or using them as contour lines for your hatches or fills. So there is a solid line, but what about different lines? When we select any other line, the menu looks a bit different. Dash is the symbol and gap is the distance between the symbols of the line. You can type in the size of both manually here, but you can also use these little flags to edit the line. The white flag changes the gap, while the black one changes the size of the symbol. On top we have a live preview of our line, and at the bottom we can select if this line should have a fixed size or if the size should change with the scale of the plan it is on. Let's create a new line. The dashed lines are simple dotted or dashed lines where we can change dash and gap, just like we did before, so we choose symbol this time. We have this X here on default, but we are able to copy anything we have drawn in Archicad. Let's draw a triangle, for example. Select the lines and press Ctrl and C for copying. When we now go back to our line editing menu, we can click on Paste. And now we have the same options as we had in the dashed line menu. If we press on OK, the line will now appear in the lines menu. So that's pretty much everything about creating new line types. Now I'll show you some useful applications for new lines. Thank you for watching. If you like it, subscribe to the channel to get more of it, and until then, stay creative.